Last, we are going to draw our right side view, and whenever we do that, I'm also going to show you how to use your miter lines, just because it'll be easier to transfer any distances so you don't have to go back in and count and all that. So first I'm going to find the corner and box in everything. So if I skipped 2 blocks right here, 1, 2, I'm also going to skip 2 blocks over here. So I go 1, 2, and then I know that my right side is going to start in this corner. Okay, so remember, whatever space you leave between one view, you also have to leave between the other view. So if I left 3 blocks right here, I would go up 3 right here. If I did 1, this would be 1, just so you can line up everything, since everything should transfer over equally at all times. So first, we have our height over here with our front view, so we can just transfer that over. Let me unfold my paper a little bit. So now our height's transferred over, but now we need our depth. And the depth is transferred by the top view. And the way that you get the depth is you use a miter line. So the way you do that is we're going to box in our front view. And at this very top right corner, right here, you just come up at a 45-degree angle so you connect each corner of your blocks or boxes. Kind of like that. Okay, so go just corner to corner all the way up. Then I come over from this edge of my top view, and as soon as it hits this miter line, you come straight down. See how it lined up with the edge? So to find this other edge, I just come from the edge of my top view, come all the way over until it hits my miter line, and come straight down from there. Now our right side view is boxed in. And from there, let's come over here to see what faces we're going to see. So if we're looking into our plane for our right side view, we will see 1, 2, 3 faces. Okay. Now this top edge of these 2 faces lines up with this edge of our L-shaped face from our front view. So we can take this height over here and just transfer that over. And then this depth distance right here, so from these corners, to figure out where they come down along the right side view, we can look at our top view because it shows where these top edges of the face ends. So if we just come over from our top view again until we hit the miter line and come straight down, here's one face. And there's another. Then you can come in here and just kind of clean it up a little bit so we can erase all that. So now we have face 1 and 2 shown on, oh, well, and 3 because you'll see this cut in right here. Or we'll label it 4. So this is 4, so now we see 1, 2, and 4. So now we need to get 3, so we need to figure out where all that cuts in. So again, how far down it cuts in is shown on our front view. So let's just transfer that over. So we know it's going to be along these lines. And then our top view shows how far back it goes. So to get this edge and this edge, it lines up with this face shown on the top view. So we'll just transfer those distances over. So we come up here until we hit our miter line. And as soon as we hit our miter line, again, we come down. Then we come over here, hit our miter line, and we come down. Then you just kind of darken everything that you know is an object line. And then you can just kind of erase all this, just so we know what to focus on. Oh, and we can erase all these numbers on it, just to kind of clean it up. And there we have our 3-view drawing of problem number 1. And your drawing up here might look a mess, but that's okay. You gotta do what you need to do in order to count these and just kind of keep track of everything. But what I want you to do from now is do 1 through 4, just along this top row. After you've done those 4, come see me and I'll check them. And if you have any trouble at all, let me know and I will help you. After we get 1 through 4 checked off, you'll go on to 5 through 8, get that checked, and then we'll go on to 9 through 12. So, good luck.